I just finished knocking out a little bit of admin work, some like signing of documents, stuff like that. I have about 2-ish hours of video editing ahead of me before I have an event tonight. It's like an energy, like clean energy, like geek greeting symposium thing, which should be fun. So I found a couch on Facebook Marketplace. We're about to run and go get that really quickly. Then I'll grab another bug, and then Tay's dropping me off at the energy symposium meeting thing that's happening at the UT Engineering campus. So busy afternoon. I got the date for the event wrong, so we just went and had a good time looking around the engineering building. We just finished up dinner. You say hi. I just got back from my heat transfer exam. That was my second one. It was going over like convection, basically just cooling things with fluids, gases, etc. It didn't go as well as I had hoped that it would, but it could have gone worse, so that is what it is. Now I have to catch up on a bunch of things that I've been postponing. So right now I have a couple casting calls to film, but then after that I have basically like 4 homeworks to do for my machine elements class, my mechatronics class, and my graphic design, engineering graphic design class. So see you in a bit. Oh, by the way, this is today's fit. Got the really just kind of a classic look. The shirt, true classic. I think these are Levi jeans, and the shoes are by Adams. Very comfortable, but solid test day fit. Wasn't going for anything super crazy. It is fallish here in Texas. It's not summer, which is nice. So, time to whip out the pants. So I had to download Artlist again because I am in the process of making a video for a show that I might be on, and I'm going through their catalog, and since when did Artlist have some actual bangers? Like this one, when it drops, actually so good. We are about to go pick up a new car. Come with me. By the way, this is today's fit. We have a solid, nice made little top, some jeans, got my Adams shoes. The fit works. My car's a little bit of an exaggeration, but Ford is letting us use the Lightning for the rest of the day. So we're gonna be putting it to the test, and I'm very excited. Dude, it's dope, right? Also the mounting. Assisted. Wild. Oh, hey there. All right, so we just picked up some moon shoes from Shift Robotics. We're driving the Ford F-150 Lightning today, and we're gonna pick up some dog food from Tractor Supply. So we're running some errands just to like put it through its paces. Shift let us use the moon shoes for like a week. So we're gonna see how they are, play around with them, put them on, mess around, have a great time. And yeah, right now we're running some errands. Taylor and I might go on a little bit of a date. These are the moon shoes. They just go on top of your feet, or rather your shoes go on top of them. you just strap them around. There's a hinge on them, and so what you want to do is you want to line up the ball of your foot with the hinge, right? Like so. And supposedly the goal is to like make cities more accessible. So where you have instances where like in Austin where everything is just so spread out, for example, and you don't have super great public transportation, which is the obvious solution. You have innovation like this. Power button right here. Light comes on. So right now they're in stationary mode, right? So I can walk in them like normal. They just feel like heavy, clunky shoes. When I lift up my heel and then turn it inside, they turn green. So now they're active. And so now I can walk and the motors will engage and they'll start to accelerate. So I don't know if you can hear the motor whining, but they're going.
Yep.
The thing that is like a little awkward is slowing down or like changing directions. But they'll accelerate. This is why we want to go outside. Because if you're able to walk in like a straight line, you can get up to like 7-8 miles an hour just walking normally. That was a lot of fun. Now it's time for me to go ahead and knock out some assignments. I have like a 5-year resume assignment that I have to do for one class, which is a little silly, I'll be honest. And the other one is a heat transfer pre-lab for my last lab this semester, which I'm very excited to have done. But first, I want to show you some of the designs that we've been working on in our machine elements class, because we're building an RC car as our final project and we're racing it. I want to show you the chassis and I want to go ahead and show you some of the other components that we're assembling together into our RC car. So this is the chassis of our RC car. Right now it is basically it's pretty flat, so this part was laser cut. So if you look at it from the side, it's just completely flat. I laser cut it yesterday, 2 days ago, something like that. So had to make the body go away, and then this is just like the sketch itself that was sent to the laser cutter, that the laser cutter then executed. These are some of the components for the actual RC car itself, right? So we have some of the motor mounts over here. Actually, sorry. This is the motor mount right there. This helps guide some of the axles. This is the end caps of the motor. This is part of the steering apparatus right here. A bunch of little things over here for connections and for steering elements. So yeah, this is in the process of being printed right now, actually. I finished up my acting class for the day. We have our showcase in a week. Yeah, so that's coming up. I'm excited about it. It will be fun. I'm a little nervous, but right now I have to do my heat transfer pre-lab. We just got back from the post office as well, and we kind of have a montón of packages that we need to start to unbox, but I am going to wait on that until I'm able to knock out my homework. And then we got some chores, some cleaning up around the house to do. Tomorrow, my dad and I are going to electrify Austin, which will be very fun. But trying to knock out everything I can before we go so that I'm not behind walking into the week. I just finished up a piston crankshaft design I've been working on for a couple days. Here it is, and everything's mated together so that everything rotates properly the way it's intended to. It is Sunday morning. I am going to electrify Austin today with my dad. This is today's fit. We have ourselves a nice Madewell top. Really like this one. It's like a red with a little bit of silver kind of line looking through it. Got the solid jeans with the atoms to top off the bottom of the fit. Feeling nice. When my dad gets here later, Hello, Phoenix. When my dad gets here later, he will be trying moon shoes for the first time with me. But before he gets here, I'll have a lot of packages to unbox. We got ourselves a nice pile going on over there. So let's get to some of that. All right, this first package is by Alpen. I love the way Alpen does packaging. It's always so like wholesome and fully recyclable, which is really nice. Compostable paper, love it. Oh, nice. They sent another one of their ghost berries, which is fantastic. We plow through this bad boy. It is my second favorite product of theirs. My favorite is their chemical peel. Just helps keep acne in check, but this is like my favorite moisturizer. Fantastic. Thank you, Alpen. This, I guess we'll figure out who it's from. Oh, nice. We have a package from Naturium. Oh, it's a lip balm, which is perfect because right now it's pretty cold and my shit has been quite chapped down. It's got a bunch of different like coffee flavors, which is really cool. Thank you, Naturium. Alani Nu. Always love to see stuff from them. Oh, nice. They sent a pre-workout. It's a new flavor, Witch's Brew, which is awesome. I love their blueberry pre-workout. Taylor loves their peach pre-workout, but I'm excited to try this one. Their energy drinks are a little too sweet for me. I tend to be pretty sensitive to like sugar stuff, but their pre-workouts are solid. Thank you, Alani Nu. This is Circle. This is for a video that I will be filming later this week, probably tomorrow, actually. Awesome. They sent a bunch of, so they have a flavored water bottle, right? This bad boy here is the water bottle itself. And they have this here lid and a bunch of these flavor packets, and the flavor packets like screw into the lid and you can basically kind of determine like how much of the flavor you want to like flavor your water. And it has some like B vitamins, antioxidants, caffeine, stuff like that, depending on which of these guys you get. Pretty cool. If you struggle drinking water, it's a great way to go. What is, oh, Naturium. Oh, nice. They sent a niacinamide cleansing gel, which is awesome. Always need to be clean. But for real, washing your face is very important. I say that not having washed my face this morning, but whatever. Ooh, we got a package from Pacifica. They send really fun patches for under eye bags. Got some vegan collagen, which can be hard to find. Ooh, some of their tinted lotion with a little bit of sun protection, which is awesome. Probably my favorite thing they sell, yeah. And then some overnight retinoid cream. Thank you, Pacifica. Ooh, Smart Sweets. Love to see it. I mentioned before that I'm like very sensitive to sugar. Smart Sweets is really dope because they're snacks and like desserts that you can have, but they don't have a crazy amount of sugar. Like that's their whole sell is. It's like you get a sweet, and not even super sweet, but you get a nice dessert without it being like so full of sugar. Like these have like 4 grams of sugar, which is crazy low. Shout out to Smart Sweets. Package from Caudalie. It's been a little bit since I've opened PR, so we got ourselves a little bit of a backlog. But these bad boys are some of my favorite, just one of my favorite skincare companies in general. They always send the seed paper, which is really nice. What do they have today? Grape holiday magic is in the air. Very cool. Moisturizing hand cream. Very fun. Oh, dude. Their moisturizer is one of the most rich moisturizers I've ever used. It just feels like money going on your skin. Their under eye cream is really solid. I use it periodically. And then this one, I don't remember what this one is. I don't remember what the serum does, but it's a solid package. Thank you, Caudalie. Naturium sent some hyaluronic acid products, which is amazing. Coco sent their retinol gel, which is awesome. Thank you, Coco. All right, these two I've been excited about for a while. This one especially. This is from Pact, which is a company that makes a lot of like really fun, probably cooler weather clothes for sure. Definitely leaning more towards the cooler weather side. Out of a lot of recycled material, recycled plastics, recycled wool, which isn't something you see a lot of. But they sent a couple of their products, and let me see which ones they actually ended up sending over. I gave them a list of things I'd be interested in, and we'll see which ones they sent. Ooh, this is nice. Let's see what this looks like. Yo, I have become a sweater guy, and so I definitely have a new appreciation for like really solid, comfortable winter sweaters. This is nice. It's a little elastic. It'll kind of conform, but it's got that like that like roll up your sleeves, put a little bit of work in feel, but I feel almost like a little bit of a librarian. It yeah, it feels like what I would imagine Mr. Rogers feels like on a daily basis. It's very comfortable, love the corrugations. This is a dope sweater. Oh nice, they sent some underwear. Very fun. Very comfortable. This is like sleep underwear right here. I'm not gonna try that on. Presumably this is some more underwear. Sent some more underwear. Very nice. Ooh, some more underwear. I will be stocked for the winter. Some more underwear. Yup, that was it. It was a sweater and some underwear. Thank you, Pact. Very excited about the sweater. That one actually felt like it kind of insanely comfortable. All right, now we have a package from Live Body, and I do not remember what they sent. Oh, nice. Dude, look at this vegan protein powder. This is a chunker of vegan protein powder. And this will be in my belly very soon. Last thing, we got ourselves a little bit of energy drink here from Alani Nu. Always nice to see. Some of their energy drinks, like their festive ones, tend to be a little sweet for me, so we'll see how this Witch's Brew one is. They have some normal, like, I think it's like their blueberry flavor, that's my favorite. That one's really solid, it's not super sweet. We'll see how this one is. They had a Kim K one recently, that one was too sweet for me. But yeah, they're pretty, in general, they're pretty good, depending on your sweet tolerance. We are on our way to Electrify Austin. I'm about to hop on the shuttle. We are here at Electrify Austin. I'm excited. Let's see what they got. We just got our hats. While we were standing in line, we were talking to some of the guys. They said we can take some EVs around the Formula One track, which is what we're about to do. Dad, you want to take the Mustang Mach-E? Is that your plan?
Absolutely. I might actually consider getting one of those one day.
Hell yeah. Let's give it a go.
I got to replace one Mustang with another, right?
True. You got to stay on brand.
And I am a Ford man, I have to admit.
You have been for a little while now.
Yep.
Of like, I guess, I forget what they call them. They're tiers, but there's like 1, 2, and 3, depending on the state, like the maximum power or speed that you can have on an e-bike. I forget what tier 1 is. I think it's like you can go up to 20 miles an hour, but it has to be with pedal assist, so you have to be pedaling. The tier 2, which is a lot of states, you can go up to 20 miles an hour unassisted with just throttle, and then you can pedal past that. And then tier 3, which is what Texas falls into, you can go up to 28 miles an hour with pedal or with full throttle, and then you can pedal assist beyond that.